Hola amigos, welcome to our paradise guys. This is me Priyanka. Today I'm going to show you all how to make cheesy garlic sticks with simple recipe. All you need is ghee instead of butter. Remember, I've added some coriander, freshly chopped coriander leaves, 10 to 12 finely chopped cloves, and that's all. You have to mix it really finely. Okay, and I have cheese. I have white bread. So I have switched on the glass. Use brown bread instead of white bread too. So this is how you place the garlic. Little only. You don't need to add much. Just on one side. Guys, grate the cheese and garnish it on top of this. And just place a lid on it. You can use any lid available there. And in my case, I'm using a thali. And this is all is done. So we'll place it.
You can even use butter. Ghee we are using, that is for like a optional.
Let it be there, like just to toast it. You can later on add cheese on it. It's up to you. Just keep it over there for only 2 minutes. That's all. You just have to toast your bread. Your bread.
You can just cut it according to your, whatever shape you want. I'm cutting it in a triangle shape. You can use it for like rectangle or whatever shape you like. And just need a little bit of dressing. By the time this has been over, and you can see how crisp it is.
This is how it's made, guys, and it looks delicious. Let's try one. Oh, you can hear the sound as well. How crisp it is. It's just yummy. And guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And do let us know by trying this recipe and commenting us on our comment section down below. Thank you guys. Love you all. Bye.
Bye.